quite discriminating. If not, his hand will die.
So we face one issue.
Do remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more contents. Hi guys, I'm Zionette Esther. Today, my boyfriend will be helping me to do a makeover of my room. As you can see from my previous vlog, he is going into the corner of my room, in and out, to take out the lights and all the equipment. And also some of the vlogs you can see when I was doing my video editing, I'm actually sitting on my bed with my table. Sitting in this position, actually caused my back to be very pain, and then it is a very bad posture, which leads to my mom and my boyfriend to be very worried for me, especially I have some back issues. So today I will be going to Ikea with my boyfriend to buy tables and chairs. Hopefully it will help with my back and with my workflow. So let's go!
So we are looking around Ikea, see what other things that we can get. We can hear the National Day song play here. Singapore Happy.
Baby, should we get this for snowing?
So she don't need to jump up and down the bed.
You climb this one.
Yeah.
Just fall down.
Baby, you want to sleep? Is this the table that we are looking at?
Yeah.
So just now you mentioned the screen here, Mac Mini here, right?
Yeah, maybe towards here a bit more.
Then the audio interface with
Yeah.
the keyboard and mouse.
Yeah. 它 design for fun 嘛.
So quite discriminating.
Stick is over there. He cannot reach the one that you want, right?
Yeah, the one that I want. Not bad.
How do you feel?
2,000 years later.
Comfort ready.
Okay.
This one.
Can you see what's all this?
What?
What is a snowy story?
Oh yeah, Snowy love floor mat. Are you so man? Can? I can see it. Can I? Not sure whether is it allowed. I scared.
Section 25.
Later we kena scold how?
No lah, won't lah.
Is it? I feel too paiseh. I decided to walk myself. I scared kena scold. So it's fresh 25. You found already? Is this the old one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Choose a nice piece,
You need all the same piece.
I don't know. Oh, here. We walk past. Choose a nice leg. So we got the table already. Right now we go and find the chair. Why? You need my help? Okay, so you need me to hug this. Why you so man? Alright. So it's done. Oh. I totally forgot the leg is with me. Let's go!
After you carry it.
While the man is making purchase, I take these two. AI. Okay. Done?
Done.
Thank you, B. Oh. So this is the damage. Are we getting any ice cream or any food?
Do ice cream?
Don't know maybe I have it.
Let's go. Really, I think you have a
What?
long queue.
Long queue?
Yeah.
Oh. Shit, very long queue. We decided to engage their service. Yeah, so we don't need to carry everything up. Yeah, we're going to find the driver now. We have a super huge list here. deliver faster. Oh, so their van have a lot of space. If let's say you don't have a car, not to worry. Yeah, so I'll be sitting at the back. You sit in front, right? Woohoo! We actually will be helping you to move your furniture and also bring you home.
Okay, Chloe. Okay? You okay with the thing?
Quality check.
Let's smell me.
Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Ah! One down.
You have such a small screw. Screwing with my life.
We have decided that we should go and buy a toolkit. If not, his hand will die. We are home right now. Oh, sorry here, sorry here.
So high.
We got the right tool for the thing. You save your hand. So my boyfriend say, before you buy Ikea stuff, you must have the right tool. It will help you a lot. So we have moved all this out. We are planning to ship all this thing in. Then, so over here there will be more working space. Surprisingly, when all these things are out, right, Snowy is not scared. Okay, so we have moved the bed in already. As you can see over here, it freed up a lot of space, which my boyfriend said that we have wasted a lot of space. So this area becomes the storage space. Yeah. So the table is in, and thank God for my boyfriend for measuring. It's like just nice at the edge. Baby, is it we are living on the edge? We are removing the current setup and moving to the new one.
So we face one issue. Previously we put 3M and then now it's so hard to take out. Jayu baby.
Hi Snowy, you like that corner, is it? So this one. So I have this much space. They are pasted. And this one, right, is just nice for the door.
Thank you, V.
Hi Snowy, you using the new computer? Using a new setup?
We are done with my makeover already. Look at that. Very thankful to my boyfriend for helping me to do the makeover. Thank you, B. If you like this video, right, or you think that there is any ways that have better use for my space, right, do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, right, do like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
I think the one who benefit the most is Snowy from this setup, huh?
Yeah.